I'm actually so confused. I've sat down here for almost 30 minutes confused on if I want to proceed with this. Hi guys, I know it's been a while I've been here, but I'm compensating you guys with this video. A lot has happened in 6 years, which has been the last time I posted here on my YouTube. I have changed, I have a new face, I have a new personality, and I've grown. I'm a grown woman now. It feels so good to be back here on YouTube. You are watching this video, it means that you have seen my thumbnail and you know that I'm about to do a procedure. And tomorrow is the big day. The procedure I'm going to be doing tomorrow is a 360 lipo, arm lipo, and fat grafting. Before you start commenting about how I don't love myself, how I am insecure, I have been confident from day one when I was a size 18 to when I was a size 12 and now to when I'm about to do what I'm about to do. So if anything, I am very secure about myself, and that's why I'm always looking for the best way to be the best version of myself. And I've been praying, I've been asking God for direction. So if you are trying to get these procedures done here in Nigeria, keep watching this video because you're going to learn a lot. You're going to get a lot of intel on what you need to get your body done here in Nigeria. I'm so excited. I'm nervous. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. Before I have been booked for my surgery tomorrow, I've gone through a process. I've been to the hospital for consultation. I met with a doctor. They asked me what I wanted, and afterwards, they booked me for medicals. I made a deposit of first off 3 million naira, and they did my medicals, they did my checkup, told me to start taking certain medication, which I'm going to be listing: folic acid, iron supplement, vitamin C, vitamin B, and just eating well. I stopped drinking. I stopped being in places where there was secondary or primary smokes. Tonight, we are just packing my bags with me, and I'm just going to be gisting you guys. I don't want to waste your time, too much talk. I want to make sure that I have everything and more. I bought this pillow last year when I was going to do my procedure, but I didn't go ahead with it. So I'm still going to take this with me. It says God did it. God has done so many things in my life, and I don't ever want to take him out of the equation ever. Right now, we are trying to pack for the hospital. They need you to arrive early so you are rested. These are the things they told us to come with. Free dresses. These are the free dresses I have. Free dresses, they basically mean boo-boos. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are like robes that I think would be more comfortable for me to move around in. Asked for 4 pieces of singlet. That's 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 singlets. 2 wipes. So we have 2 wipes. These are my towels. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's better to be overpacked than to be underpacked, guys. That's my motto in life. They asked for Dettol, that's antiseptic. I got myself mouthwash. I don't want to scare the nurses away. Toothpaste, antiseptic soap. So I got Dettol Cool and Dettol Original just for sale. Roll-on wipes. I got myself feminine wipes as well. Just the tampons. So we're going to put. They also told me to come with underlays, 6 dozen. Can you imagine all of this? All of this from Cherry's waist trainer. Okay. These are underlay pads. In here, I have crepe bandage. I have 2 dozens. Comfort pad. Got 9 packs. 1, 9. This is my 9 packs. This is a lot. And imagine all of this and they will think it's for a man. So for my flip-flops, I'm going to go with this. Be wearing Crocs very often. Yeah, they also told me to have the option of bringing in healthy snacks. Dried mangoes, dried pineapple, more coconut candy. I went an extra board to get myself some of these protein shakes, which is Ensure nutritional shakes. I got myself a dozen, a pack, different flavors, just so I could, you know. So that's all for this box. Let's go to the next box. God is with me. I have angelic assistance. I've packed my bag that the hospital told me to do. Everything they've asked me for. Now let's move on to the things that they didn't ask me to get, but from my research I realized that I'm going to need during my recovery phase and during my healing process. Because I'm extra and I love to do my research, I went ahead to buy some things from Cherry's waist trainer. They have Fajas post and pre-op products that you're going to use during your healing phase, products you're going to need during your healing phase. And because you're already healing, I don't think it's sensible to be running around to buy all of this procedure, to buy all these products. And that's why I did my research. So I'm going to be naming them underneath for you guys to see and show you how and what you need. The first is a BBL pillow. This is how it looks like. I tried it in the store. Their store is actually in Lagos. They are in Festac and they deliver worldwide. So if you're also not in Nigeria, they have a very decent price for the products that they're selling, and I'm going to be attaching them. This is the BBL pillow. It comes with a bag, and after your procedure, because you know I'm not going to be sitting for almost a month, this is what I'm going to be needing to still sit and rest my back and, you know, continue my life, you know, drive around and whatnot. This is a toilet holder. Basically, when you are after your procedure, if you want to use the bathroom, you definitely need to get this so that it would ease you going to do number 2, and they're very affordable. Next is compression socks. Now, compression is very good after your procedure. You want to make sure that you have a compression socks. I got 2 types. I got a long version and a short version. I don't know which my surgeon is going to request, and I also just think if I travel a lot and after this procedure I might need to also have compression socks on throughout my long flights, so I can just maintain and not have swelling on my feet. So I got a roller board. All of this is available at Cherry's Waist Trainer. Again, this is for and after and during your massage they might need this, and even afterwards, personally, I can just use this to train and make sure my belly remains flat. This is a lipo backboard. This cost about, I think, 50k or so, and it's Cherry is one of the best. This is a 360 lipo board as well. You're supposed to wear it inside before you wear your faja. I got 2 fajas. I'm going to show you the pictures. The fajas, I got 2 in medium and large. I don't know which one is going to compress me more, but off the surgery table, my surgeon already said that they're going to give me a faja. But we know to get that snatch, you need to get Colombia fajas. Come on. And which other better ones to get than Gamma fajas? These are Gamma fajas. They are original, authentic Colombian fajas, baby, and they do the work. Even after your surgery, you want to make sure you have authentic, good fajas. Please don't borrow fajas for your surgery. Don't use your friend's faja. Get fajas from Cherry's Waist Trainer and thank me later. These go for, I think, 350 each. I also got myself these clinchers, so I can just use to train my waist afterwards, and I got extra small. Like I said, I want to be snatch. So I also got a urinary thing. I'm going to be using this to pee because clearly I can't sit on my butt. This lipo foam board in front. You can also get this at Cherry's Waist Trainer just to put in front. All of these things. I'm prepared. Don't worry, I'm prepared. And then I got adult diaper. If anything happens, I don't know. I don't need it, but baby, I just got it. So I'm going to go to bed. The next time you're going to see me, I'm going to be entering the ward, and after that, we're going to see the body. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I want to know your opinion. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm overpacked? Do you think this is going to help you for your procedure on what to pack and what not to pack? Let me know in the comment section. Till next time, I'm Omorige Precious, and welcome to my beauty maxing world.